What's up, guys? I got a new video for you this week. It's all over the place. This is a flashback video. Kyle came and got a leveling kit and tires from me middle of last year, and then he came into last year in December and got a McGaughys lift kit for his truck, and then he ordered some wheels then. It's been a long, bumpy road trying to get his wheels in. We had to switch wheel companies one time, and we went with JTXs. Anyways, I'm going to take some of the old video and put it in with some of the new video so you have one big video to see. Stay tuned for the process. I appreciate you guys watching. I am sitting in a 2025 Chevy Trailboss 2500. This is a blue truck. It looks really, really nice, but this is a past customer. We actually have done this truck once before. And to be completely honest, I don't remember if I put this in a video or not, but it is a, right now the truck is sitting on 37 1250/20 Nitto Ridge Grappler tires on the stock 20-inch Chevy wheels. And it has currently, we put these in before, it was a Cognito Comfort Ride torsion bars and Suspension Max torsion keys. This truck is clearing the tires, except for it does rub a little bit on the sway bar, as you guys know it does. And I'm sure that could be one of the reasons why he's in here today. He's getting a 9-inch McGaughys lift kit with all the bells and whistles with it. Really excited about it. We're doing Fox shocks, reservoir shocks, the 2.0s, and we're doing 1.5-inch wheel spacers on the factory wheels to get them up off the spindle that the McGaughys lift is going to put on there. It interferes really bad with the stock wheels, so we had to do the spacers anyways. This truck's going to be really, really cool. It's going to be on stocks and 37s with spacers on a 9-inch McGaughys lift kit. Stay tuned for the process. I'm about to get out right now and show you what the truck looks like. On this very cold Monday in Georgia, it's like 20 degrees outside. We have our Chevy Trailboss 2500 ready to go. It's a 2025. This truck is that blue color, looks so good with now the McGaughys 9-inch lift kit on it with the Fox reservoir shocks. The truck is phenomenal. The factory wheels look good on here with the spacers. I'm about to flip the camera around and show you what we ended up with. Let me know what you think in the comments. Here's our beautiful big blue Silverado. This thing looks awesome. Very, very high, very nice stance to it. There wasn't a whole bunch of cutting on this truck. We got to keep the mud flap on here, which is amazing. He could definitely go a little bit bigger with the tire if he wants to cut a little bit. The Fox reservoir shocks right here look amazing. We did the McGaughys upper control arm right here. It has those stainless steel faceplates on top. Looks really, really good. The McGaughys kit comes with the strut tensioner braces right here already. You can add the traction bars back there in the back if you want. They're really just for looks, but the kit functions the same without the traction bars. It looks really good. That torsion bar drop bracket right there looks really nice from McGaughys. The centerpiece of their lift kit though is the front cross member, which is right here. It looks phenomenal. We're setting at 9 inches on this one, so the axle angle right here at 9 inches is great. McGaughys is really a nice lift kit. I tell everybody this. I got 3 big companies that I deal with the most: McGaughys, BDS, and Cognito. I like FTS as well, but I don't do as much of their stuff anymore because really it's the chrome cross member everybody was chasing. If you guys have any questions though, feel free to reach out. The number here is 678-994-9180. So you just watched this whole entire video of us putting that 9-inch lift on with the 37-inch Nitto ridge grapplers on the factory wheels. The customer, Kyle, called me back from South Carolina this morning because the video was filmed yesterday. We're about to post it today on Tuesday. He called and ordered some 24x14 KG1 wheels and some 37-inch Toyos. So in about a month, we'll be doing a to be continued part 2 video to this truck. So stay tuned for that. Keep an eye out for it. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Got a part 2 to an old video that we did before. It's a 2025 Chevy Silverado 2500 Trailboss. This is for a guy named Kyle. He is a very, very patient, very, very nice guy. He placed an order for some other wheels, different brand. I guess we'll leave them out. They didn't make the wheels. I don't know what else you want to say. They just didn't make the wheels. So we waited 3 or 4 months on them, and we pulled the plug, and JTX came through like a knight in shining armor with a brand new set of 24x14 JTX forged Empires in the black and milled finish. We're doing floating center caps on this truck. It's going to be amazing. We're doing 37 1350 24 Toyo Open Country RT trail tires. This is an amazing tire. It's going to look great, very aggressive, but it's also going to ride really good and smooth. So we're doing wheel lights and rock lights as well on the truck. We're doing infinite off-road. It's a really, really nice set of wheel lights and rock lights with a really good warranty on them. So stay tuned for that. I'm going to do a video of the process. I might throw the old video in at the beginning just so you guys can see it, or I might just skim through it, you know, in the preview, but stay tuned. I'm about to get the truck pulled in. Real quick, I'll get out and go over what the truck looks like now. All right, real quick, we'll go over the truck again. Like I said, 2025 Chevy Silverado 2500 Trailboss. He has the tow hooks in the front, blacked out. We did already the 9-inch McGaughys lift kit right here, set at the 9 inch. It's a 7 to 9 inch lift set at 9 inches. We did the Fox 2.0 reservoir shock upgrade on this, and we did their upper control arms. Right now the truck looks really good on those 37-inch ridge grapplers, but it's going to look really, really nice on the 24x14s and 37s. It's really going to make the truck. The wheel lights and rock lights are just an add-on. You don't have to have those, but they really do add the wow and the cool effect, you know, at nighttime especially. So stay tuned for this one. I'll show you the process as we're doing it. So with 2 hours left on the clock, they have the Chevy 2500 Trailboss finish for Kyle. This is the truck. They got the 24x14 JTX forged, the Empires, and the black and milled finish. And we did the wheel lights and the rock lights from Infinite Off-Road. The tires are the Toyo Open Country RT Trails in the 37 1350 24. The truck looks amazing. The lights look amazing. I'm about to get out and show you what we ended up with. Here's our beautiful Chevy Silverado 2500 Trailboss. It is on a 9-inch McGaughys lift kit. Go over that real fast. Here's your cross member on the 9-inch McGaughys. It's amazing. The black with the stainless steel accents. He does have the upper control arms from McGaughys here with the ball joint caps. The Fox 2.0 reservoir shocks. We have upgraded today to the 24x14 JTX Empire in the black and milled finish. Beautiful wheel. We did go with the floating center caps on there too. JTX has one of the best floaters in the game. When he's driving down the road at 80 miles an hour, this is going to be still. You'll be able to read the logo on it. They have some really, really nice milling on their wheels. They do it there in-house at JTX. The rock lights that you see right here are the Infinite Off-Road. Let me actually turn those on. This is their 12-watt setup. I like the 12 watts a little bit better because they're more flush. They have a 24 watt that's, sticks out to about right here, so I like the flush ones more myself. They're very, very bright. It's daytime, so you can't really see them as good, but very, very bright. The wheel lights sync up to the rock lights perfectly. These are inside and outside row wheel lights, so you see that top and bottom. It's really, really a nice add-on. Infinite has a very nice warranty. They have a 25-year warranty on the wheel lights and the rock lights, so no worries there. The tire that we went with on this one is the Toyo Open Country RT Trail. The RT Trail is a very, very smooth, quiet tire that's more like an all-terrain. It's more like a hybrid, really. If you know what the Nitto Ridge Grappler is, this is the most comparable tire to that one. It's very quiet, has a 45,000 mile warranty, 45-day ride guarantee. The RT Trail is a very aggressive, smooth tire for any truck, really. I use them on SUVs a lot too. Really good stance with that 24x14 wheel. If you guys have any questions about this truck, feel free to reach out. The number here is 678-994-9180. We're located in McDonough, Georgia. We're Southern Tire. My name is Jake. I'm going to attach a quote on the entire job on this one. The lift kit, the tires, the wheels, the wheel lights, the rock lights, all the goodies that we have on this one, so you can see a full, complete build quote. Like I said, if you have any other questions, just call me. I appreciate you guys watching. Have a good one.